Well, welcome back to another exciting episode of Mini-Max 1030S with me, Scott. The plane's coming along. I got a few things done, and we're still working on the wing and was waiting on the glue to dry. I got all these cut, and then I went back through and made a master. I did it the old-fashioned way, cut each one of them out by hand, which are all the nose ribs. So I'm getting there. We're going to work on the front spar in a minute, but I don't know, these things look familiar to me. I don't know, they could bring back something, I don't know. All right, on this spar, got several metal components. I have these straps here, which hold the spars, front and rear spar, to the plane. 2 7/8 each way, and then we got 8 of these which hold the supports, front and rear. So the other night it was chilly, so I put this in my office and laid out the holes and the ends, and go ahead and drill them tonight. And all right, that made quick work of that. All right, now we get a 1/4 inch hole. All right, so that's 8 of them. You gotta round these corners off now. Okay, these are these straps that go right here on the lower and upper spar. 2 there, starboard, 2 there, starboard, 2 for port, 2 for port. Now I've got to make 8 of these struts that go right here for the wing supports out of this bar right here. And I'll probably do that some other evening. And then the spar is ready to get this inside support right here. Right over there, I'm ready to put that in. But it's getting late here. And guess what? It has been the most beautiful day here in Southeast Virginia. I hope y'all had a blessed day today. We're going to keep on knocking along. I got some gas line in today that I ordered 3 months ago, that clear gas line, purple gas line, which I already got a refund on. Now I got to pay them back. So I like clear gas line, you know, around the motor to see if you got gas in it or whatever. But we're coming along. Hopefully one day we'll have this thing in the air. It's really slow going lately. Just got so much stuff going on. One day maybe I'll be independently wealthy and I can just take off and build airplanes, but it ain't right now. I hope y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you again soon for another exciting episode of making stuff out of wood and metal.